Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the Tommy Hilfiger Essential Mesh Runner in antique silver. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, it helps us with the algorithms. Show some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment thrown out our way. And I just want to take this time to thank all our subscribers, new and old. Thank you. Without you guys, we aren't able to get this done. Let's get into it. So today, we've got a look at the Tommy Hilfiger Essential Mesh Runner. And we got this in the European 42. There's no UK equivalent on the sticker here, but rule of thumb, as we've always known, and it usually is, European 42 is the UK size 8. And let's have a look. And here we go. Really nice, simple sneaker. Personally, not a big fan of this Tommy Hilfiger shoes. I much prefer the clothing, like a lot of people actually. But it was big in the 90s. Aaliyah used to wear Tommy, and I was so in love with Aaliyah. So yeah, I was just infatuated by Tommy because of that. So we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole unit is an all rubber outsole unit, and it's got a lot of TH in the middle, and you got the Hilfiger just right there at the heel. Moving along onto the upper, now it's a simple sneaker made with recycled polyester. And you've got on the toe box and on the lace panel, nice hits of suede. Look at the underlays, and it's an all mesh material as I mentioned. You can all see it there for your eyes to see. At the lateral side, you've got the Tommy Hilfiger logo and the flag. It's all incorporated. At the back, this is what gripes me actually. Like, you got the nice suede here at the toe box, at the lateral side, and at the lace paneling. But I think they cheaped out at the back, and it's in the heel as well. The leather quality is not that great. Moving along onto the tongue. So this tongue's nicely padded, and you've got the Tommy Hilfiger logo along with the flag. And the insole has an awful light insole with the Tommy Hilfiger logo as well for your comfort. I mean, these sneakers feel really soft. The mesh, it's really soft. I can feel it. I know it to be a bit comfy, but I'm just worried about this heel because the leather quality here is not, it's not that great. I know what you're thinking, guys. Why are you reviewing these sneakers? We want to give everything a try here at Oneupreviewz. So if you have any suggestions, show them in the comment section below. We'd love to get a sneaker that you wouldn't expect us to do, just like these. So with all that said, we're going to try these on, let you know our thoughts, feelings and emotions. So roll that footage of me trying these on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I suggest you get to a true to size fit. My toe is right there. With these sneakers being quite narrow, it's suggested that you get your true to size. In regards to the comfort, guys, I wouldn't say that these are the most comfortable sneakers I've ever tried on. I've done a plethora. But if you were to try and get a pair of Tommy Hilfiger sneakers, I do recommend these ones. So there you go. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on the Instagram account. Until next time, peace.